I am Michael Jackson from Kawasaki Thermal Engineering Division of Kawasaki Gas Turbine Asia, Sdn Bhd.
Okay.
So today I am very excited to introduce you about our product on boiler, on package boiler. So if you have anything question during my presentation, you may ask, and I will try to answer.
Okay.
Okay. So today I will give you some simple introduction of our product because may everybody know that Kawasaki is very famous for motorcycle. And
Yeah, motorcycle.
Yes.
My first motorcycle was
I
Kawasaki.
see. Yeah. So do I.
Ah.
Because I also have a
Kawasaki Kid.
Kawasaki motorcycle.
Right.
Okay. So may I know if before my coming today, do you know other than motorcycle from Kawasaki?
No, I have no idea.
See, okay. So actually, Kawasaki is Kawasaki Motor is a part of Kawasaki heavy industry. Same goes to our company in Malaysia. Kawasaki Gas Turbine is the parent company is Kawasaki Heavy Industry. Below the Kawasaki Heavy Industry, KHI, there is many divisions as you such as aerospace, logistic, and then there are many different category of business. So today I will introduce you on KTE and KGA. KTE is stand for Kawasaki Thermal Engineering and KGA Kawasaki Gas Turbine Asia. So here, as we are same parent company from KHI, KTE and KGA, we are sister company, and our business is inside the energy segment. Okay, so in Malaysia, KTE and KGA cooperate as a sister company to introduce our energy segment product such as gas turbine, gas engine, chiller, boiler, and also heat recovery steam generator. So this is our four main product. As I mentioned before, KTE on the thermal engineering, boiler, absorption chiller, HRSG, and KGA is GT, stand for gas turbine, and GE. Okay, so this is five our main product. And today, because I know your factory is
Your
factory is using steam boiler. So today I come as a thermal engineering division to introduce you about our new and latest technology of package boiler. Okay, so on package boiler, there are many types. For conventional type, there is two types. First is
Two types.
First is fire tube boiler. Second one is water tube boiler, and the latest one, which is one screw multi-tube boiler. Okay?
One what?
One screw multi-tube boiler.
Once through.
Yes, one screw multi-tube
Okay.
boiler. So what is make these three type of boiler is different? Absolutely because of their working principle and their efficiency. Between these three type of boiler, water tube, fire tube, and one screw boiler. One screw boiler. So this is three type. What make these three different type of boiler affect your give a big effect for your cost production. On your cost operation. Okay, so fire tube. First is their efficiency. So we will focus on only on the efficiency this time. Fire tube efficiency might be higher, around the 85%. This is
85% efficiency.
yes, 85% efficiency. And then for water tube, it might be increased a little bit, around 90% efficiency. And this is what I'm today through promoting a one-screw boiler from Kawasaki. Our efficiency is around 98% by using gas fire. So this efficiency can be achieved because of two technology we have using. First one is inverter system, and another one is we have because of the working principle of one-screw boiler. One-screw boiler do not have a drumless. So first, it will not dangerous
It is not dangerous.
It is not dangerous as per water tube or fire tube. Okay, and then what you can get from these features? First, you can get high efficiency, as I mentioned before, and second one, you can get the quick startup. If you, for your information, our one-screw boiler can supply the steam production. Can supply the steam to the production
in 2 minutes 27 seconds.
Minutes only.
Not 2 minutes 27 seconds.
Yes, compared to fire tube, they need at least 45% in order to deliver the stable steam. Okay, and then another features, the third features we can get from one-screw boiler is their compact size. Compact size, because the design of one-screw boiler is narrow type. Narrow type, okay? It's like this one. Compared to water tube or fire tube, the design is horizontal. So this is approximately our size is half of water tube or fire tube boiler. So by this, you can save your machine room area, which you can use for meeting room or another useful feeding area. Okay. So I think by all these features you can understand, and I may give you our template. You may refer our brochure for more in details if you need. I can give a private discussion with some of you, and I hope my presentation today you can have a view of new technology on one-screw boiler differ to water tube or fire tube, which is convenient type. So if you are interested to purchase one of our product, please kindly let me know to help you on do the feasibility study to determine what is the capacity, your steam pressure requirement, and so on. That's all for me. Thank you for your time.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.